Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we learn lesson number 4, plant as food. So we do activity of plant as food, and today we learn about some food we get from plant and how we use in our routine food. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that amazing things happen when you try. So, when you try again and again, the things become very good and amazing. So, it's need try again and again. So, amazing things happen when you try. So, always try and make things happen. So, let's start our today's lecture. Today we learn about lesson number 4, plant as food. We already revised that lesson and we also learn many things in this lesson. So in lesson number 4 we learn about plants and we learn that which foods we get from plant. So we learn in this lesson that we get fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses in this lesson. That all these things we get from plants. We get all vegetables like carrot, beetroot, beans, cauliflower, cabbage, potato, onion and many other vegetables we get from plant. We also learn that fruits we get from plant like apple, banana, pineapple, strawberry, dragon fruits. All these fruits we get from plant. Here you can see the picture of fruits. So when we learn about these fruits, we also learn in this lesson that some vegetables we eat are also fruit of the plant. We learn in this lesson that different parts of the plant we eat are different way. That we eat root vegetables also, we eat leaf of plant also, we eat stem of plant also. So in this lesson we learn about parts of the plant and how we eat in our food. We also learn that we get cereals and pulses from plant. From this we make flour also. We eat rice, a cereal in our daily life. We also eat wheat. We make flour of wheat and we use in our food as chapati or bread or many other things. So we learn about cereals like rice, wheat, corn, maize. These all are cereals we get from plant. We also learn that pulses like chickpea, green beans, black beans, very healthy food we get from plant. Then we learn that different types of food which we get from plant we use in different way. So first we learn that what we get from plant. So today we learn that the things which we get from plant and how we use in our food. So here you can see the picture of jam. So we make different types of jam like strawberry jam, cherry jam, apple jam, grapes jam and mango jam. So we make different types of jam from different types of fruit. So we get fruits from plant and we use fruits in different way in our food. Like we drink juice of fruits also and we make jam of fruit also. So we use, when we make sandwiches, this jam. When we make sweet sandwiches, we use this jam. So today we learn that how we use the things which we get from plant in our food. Here is some sweet dishes. So these sweet dishes we make from things we get from plant, like chickpea flour, like wheat flour. So these all things we get from plant and we use in our food. When we make any sweet dishes, we use the flour of cereal or pulses and we add sugar in it. So we also get sugar from plant. Then here you can see the picture of some juices like lemon juice, apple juice, orange juice. So we use food from plant and make juice of it, like lemon, like apple. We also drink apple juice, we drink carrot juice also, and we drink vegetable juices also. So today we learn that how we use this in our food. We make juice of it and it is very healthy because these juices are make blood in our body. So we get juices from plant. Then we learn that different types of flour like rice flour, wheat flour and chickpea flour we get from plant. So we use this flour in our food, like rice flour we make idli and many other dishes. When wheat flour we use to make bread and chapatis, which we use in our daily food. Then chickpea flour we use to make different types of snacks. So when we eat different types of snack, keep in our mind that we make these things from flour which we get from cereals or pulses. We also make sweet dishes from these flours. Then we get chapatis and breads from flour. Then we learn that different types of pickles we make from fruits and vegetables. Now mostly we make pickles from mango, and mango is a fruit of the plant. So from mango we make different types of pickles. We use raw mango to make pickles. We also use vegetables like carrot, brinjal and onion to make different types of pickles. So we use these all food in different ways. So here you can see the pictures of mango pickles. We eat in our food in morning also, in lunch also and in dinner also. Then we get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. So here you can see the picture of tea. Now we get two types of tea from plant. We get tea dust also and we get green tea from plant. So here you can see two types of tea which we make from tea dust or tea leaves. So tea we get from plant. Then we also get coffee powder from plant. So when we drink coffee, we make coffee powder from coffee seeds. So we also drink two type of coffee. One is milk coffee and second is black coffee. So you can see here two types of coffee, coffee powder and coffee seeds. So these coffee seeds we get from plant. So when we learn about coffee and tea, we learn that how we get coffee and sugar and tea from plant. So today we learn one activity. in this activity we have different types of food which we get from plant, and we have picture of some dishes which we eat in our home. So we have to find out that the picture we have from plant, how we use in our food. So we have to find out that which food we get from this particular cereal, pulses or vegetable. So let's start our today's activity. So first, what did you see on your screen? Yes, it is cereal. This we get from plant, right? Which cereal it is? We learn about this. We also revise this when we do activity. Yes, it is wheat. So it is a wheat which we get from plant, and we learn that wheat is a cereal of the plant. So when we learn about wheat, we also grow wheat and how we use it. So we make flour of wheat, and we use split wheat also in our food. So we already learned the spelling of wheat. So what is the spelling of wheat? W-H-E-A-T. So here is wheat. Now let's see which dishes we have. And we have to find out that from this which dish we cannot made from wheat. So in this activity we have to find out odd one. So let's see which things we have. We have chapatis, we have juice, and we have thick chapatis. So these are three things we have. So we have to find out that from this which thing we cannot made from wheat. So chapatis we eat daily in lunch or dinner, right? So when we learn about cereals, wheat, we learn that we make flour of wheat and we make chapatis from it, right? So we get chapatis from wheat. Like chapatis, we also get thick chapatis from wheat flour. So when we see the picture of juice, did we make any juice from wheat? Yes or no? No. So we not use wheat to make juice. So let's take out the juice. So what we get from wheat? Chapatis and bhakri we called it. So these two things we get from wheat. So now you can understand that which things we make from wheat. Now let's see which things we have next. Yes, what is this? White color cereal. Right? It is cereal. So which cereal it is? Is that a wheat? Is that a maize? No. So what is this? It is rice. And we learn that rice need too much water to grow. So let's write the spelling of rice. R-I-C-E. So we get rice from plant, and we use in our lunch also and in our dinner also. So let's see which things we have. Yes, what is this? It is biryani. We eat, right? We make it. So we have biryani. Then next, it is rice pudding. So in these two dishes you can see rice, right? So these two are delicious food which we make from rice. We all know about this. We use different types of spices and rice to make delicious pulao. And we use sugar and dry fruits to make rice pudding. And third one is, what is this? Yes, it is a fruit salad with milk. So from these three dishes, one is biryani, second is rice pudding, and third is fruit salad. So what we cannot make from rice? Yes, we cannot make fruit salad from rice. So now you can see two dishes from rice. So from this activity you learn that the things we get from plant, how we use in our food. Understand? Then let's see which is the next one. Yes. What is this? It is chickpea. We learn about chickpea. We also called it grams. So what is this? Is that a cereal or pulses? Yes, it is pulses. So let's see what is the spelling of chickpea. Chickpea. Now what we made from chickpea? We make flour of chickpea. We use as salad, and we also make proper meal from chickpea. Now let's see which thing we cannot make from chickpea. We have three pictures. First is delicious dish from chickpea, right? Then it is a sabji, we called it. We eat with bread or some chapatis. Okay, now let's see which is next one. What is this? It is fast food, right? When you see this fast food, we use chickpea for feel it. You can see in small bowl the feeling of this fast food. So we use it in this, right? Now next one. It is rice pudding. So from this, which one we cannot made from chickpea? Yes, the third one, rice pudding, we cannot made from chickpea. So we make different types of two dishes from this chickpea, but we cannot make rice pudding from chickpea. So the rice pudding we take out. Now let's see which is next one. Yes, what is this? Yummy food. Is that a fruit or vegetable? Yes, it is fruit. And which fruit it is? It is mango. And we all like mango. We eat in summer mango. And we use in different way mango. So what is the spelling of mango? We learned the spelling of mango in last lectures. Yes, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Now we make different types of dishes from mango. We use raw mangoes also. We use these orange mangoes also. Now let's see which dishes we have. Yummy. It is mango milkshake. Right? So we eat this mostly in summer, the season of mango. We all know that summer is season of mango. Now let's see which is next one. Yes, it is mango ice cream. Right? So when we going to ice cream parlor, we eat mango ice cream. So we make mango ice cream from mango. So mango give flavor and taste to ice cream, right? And third one is, It's a puri, one type of bread. So from these three things, mango milkshake, puri, and third one is ice cream. So which things we not made from mango? Yes, the second one. So we take out the second one. Yes, now we have two dishes from mango, mango ice cream and mango milkshake. So now you can understand that which things we make from mango. So let's see which is the next one. So what did you see on your screen? Which thing is that? Yes, it is apple. An apple is a fruit, vegetable or cereal? Yes, apple is a fruit we eat. And what is the spelling of apple? We learn about this that when we start learning ABCD, we learn first spelling is apple. We learn that A for apple. So what is the spelling of apple? APPLE, the spelling of apple. Now, which things we made from apple? We make apple pie, we make apple juice, we make apple milkshake. So let's see from this which things we have, and we have to find out that from these things which thing we cannot made from apple. So first thing you see on your screen is apple pie, right? So in this dish, the name of this dish is apple pie. So we make apple pie from apple. Now let's see which is next one. It is mango milkshake. So did we make mango milkshake from apple? We have apple, we not have mango milkshake. So we cannot make mango milkshake from apple because we need mango to make mango milkshake. And third one is apple jam. So we learn in starting of this lecture that from fruits we make different types of jam. So we can make apple jam from apple. So which one is not we made from apple? Which is odd one? Yes, mango milkshake. So we take out the mango milkshake. Yes. So we cannot make mango milkshake from apple because we need mango to make mango milkshake. Now let's see which is the next one. Yes, it is rice. And we can see on screen then it is a flour. So it is rice flour. So we write here rice flour, right? So let's see which things we have to here. Let's check out. It is dosa which we eat, right? So when our mother make dosa at home, you can see the batter of this is white color. So it made from rice flour, right? So we make this dish from rice flour, right? Now let's see which is next one. Yes, it is idli. So the color of this is also white and the rice flour color is also white. So we can also make this from rice flour. And next one is pizza. So when we see pizza, we cannot see rice or rice flour in it, right? You can see here pizza topping like tomatoes and corianders. So can we make pizza from rice flour? This pizza? Yes or no? No, because we make pizza from filter wheat flour. So we take out the pizza. Yes, it is disappear. So we make 2 dishes from rice flour. Now let's see which is next one. Yes, it is mango again. But it is different from first one because it is raw mango. So we also use raw mango in our food. Now remember we learn about mangoes when we learn about fruits from plant, right? So in that lecture we learned that we use raw mango to make different types of sauces and pickles also. In our house we have mango pickle. So we make this mango pickle from raw mango. Now let's see what we have. Yes, you can see here the picture of pickle. So we learn about this that we make pickle from raw mango. You can see the pieces or dices of raw mango. Now let's see which is next one. Yes, it's look like jam, but it is a one dish which we make from raw mango. So it's sweet and salty. So we eat in our food when we take lunch for taste. So you can see the small pieces of mango in it, right? Now let's see which is next one. Again pizza. So we can make pizza from raw mango. We make pickle also. We make this dish from mango also, right? So we make pizza from raw mango. Yes or no? No. So let's take out pizza. Yes. So what we make from raw mango? 2 types of pickle. One is look like jam and one look like dish. So we use raw mango to make pickles. Now let's see what we have next. Yes, it is chickpea. And you can see here flour of chickpea, right? So let's see that what is the spelling of chickpea flour. Yes, the spelling of chickpea we know, and here is a spelling of flour. Flour. So we write here chickpea flour. Now what we make from chickpea flour? We make sweet dishes also. We make snacks also. Now let's see what we have. Yes, it is sweet dish from chickpea flour. So it is a small balls we make from sugar and chickpea flour, and we all know that it is very yummy. Now let's see which is next one. It is again different types of chapati, and you can see the color of this. It's look like chickpea color, right? And the next one is snake, small balls. So it is a spicy snack. So these all things we make from chickpea flour, right? First is laddus, second is chapatis, and third one is spicy snack. So there is no any dish in this picture which we cannot made from chickpea flour. So these all things we make from chickpea flour. Now let's see which is next one. What is this? It is root vegetable, right? Which vegetable it is? Yes, it is carrot. And the color of carrot is orange. Now let's see what we have. Yes, it is carrot pudding, right? Yummy food. The color of this pudding is orange. Then it is again pickle. As we learned that vegetables we use to make pickles, right? So you can see carrot pickle. The next one is chapatis. So we can make chapatis from carrot, yes or no? No, because we need wheat flour to make chapatis. So which is odd one? Yes, it is chapatis. So we make two dishes from carrot. So what we learned today, that which things we make from food we get from plant and we take out odd one from this. So I hope you all understand what we make from different vegetables, fruits and cereals and pulses. So we continue tomorrow this activity. Till then, take care of yourself and stay healthy.